Hello friends, so let's discuss what is GCS score, that is Glasgow Coma Scale. So to know the level of consciousness, to know the level of head injury, we have a kind of score that is called the GCS score. Okay, so where we have a kind of you can see here many responses. On the basis of that, we are giving that score. So eye opening, verbal response, motor response, depending on that, we have a kind of GCS score. So you can see here we will discuss everything is in detail manner. Just see it here. So Glasgow Coma Scale, first of all, the first parameter is eye opening. So first of all, as soon as we are reaching towards the patient and suppose he is spontaneously opening his eyes, that then we will give a kind of 4 number. Okay, that is we are giving 4 points. When we are giving when we are you can say going toward the patient and suppose he is not opening by its own, and we have to kind of give some sounds to open their eyes, so that is nothing but we have a kind of score will be 3. The response after speech only, then you can say eye opening score will be 3. Okay, now you can see here we are giving some noises or you can say sound to the patients to open their eyes, but he is not suppose opening. Then we will give a kind of some painful stimuli so that he can open. But suppose he is opening their eyes after painful stimuli, then we will give a score 2. But suppose if he is not opening given after some painful stimuli also, then we will give score 1. Okay, so eye opening 4, spontaneous response is there, if it is there, then we will give 4. Response to speech, then we will give 3. Okay, then response to pain, eye opening after painful stimuli, then we will give 2. Okay, and if it is there no response to eye opening and all, that is called as a kind of score will be 1. Okay, so eye opening score total will be 4. So the maximum score eye opening parameters में हो कितना हो सकता है 4/4 और मिनिमम कितना 1. Okay, now let's see the verbal response. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल देखते हैं, बाद में मोटर रिस्पॉन्स देखते हैं. वर्बल रिस्पॉन्स में देख सकते हो, as soon as we are reaching towards the patient and suppose what year is this, we are asking some questions to know the verbal response, to know the kind of you can say verbal parameters of that GCS score. So suppose we are going towards the patient and we are asking the what year is this. Suppose he is saying 1983. Okay, suppose he is saying correctly that suppose right now it is 2023. Suppose he is saying 2023, or suppose doctor is asking about who is in front of you or who am I. So suppose he is saying ki you are doctor or he is my relative, like that. So he is giving correct answer, that means he is oriented, so then we will give 5. Okay, score will be then we will give score 5. Let's suppose he is telling like he is my relative, but relative में कौन सा चाचा मामा वो confuse है, तो then we will give 4. And suppose we are asking the years, but he is giving yesterday mother, he is responding in other manner, like हम year पूछ रहे तो वो days बता रहा है, Sunday Monday, like that. तो inappropriate words are there, score will be, we will give score will 3. Okay, देन सपोज इनकॉम्प्रेंसिबल साउंड से मतलब हमें समझ में नहीं आ रहा वो क्या बोल रहा है, देन स्कोर विल बी अ काइंड ऑफ 2. एंड सपोज इफ इट इज़ देयर नो रिस्पॉन्स आफ्टर गिविंग यू कैन से वी आर आस्किंग समथिंग बट पेशेंट इज़ नॉट सेइंग एनीथिंग एल्स, देन वी विल गिव अ स्कोर 1. ओके, तो वर्बल रिस्पॉन्स में ओरिएंटेड है तो 5, कन्फ्यूज स्टेट में है तो 4 नंबर दे सकते हैं. इनअप्रोप्रिएट वर्ड्स है, ओके आंसर दे रहा है लेकिन बराबर नहीं बोल रहा है, देन स्कोर विल बी, देन वी विल गिव अ 3. ओके, एंड कुछ भी बोल रहा है वो एब्यूजिंग वर्ड्स बोल रहा है, कुछ समझ में नहीं आ रहा है, देन वी विल गिव स्कोर 2. एंड सपोज इफ इट इज़ नॉट रिस्पॉन्डिंग, स्कोर विल बी 1. ओके, तो ओरिएंटेड 5, 4, inappropriate word 3, incomprehensible sounds, non appropriate sound you can say. Okay, then 2. And if suppose he is not saying anything, that is score will be 1. Okay, motor response में देख सकते हो, to know the you can say upper motor neuron lesion, LMN, and like that, we have a kind of motor response, so that conscious level of the patient we can know. Okay, so GCS score is made for that only, to know the level of consciousness, to know the level of orientation of the patient, and to know the head injury. Okay, how much head injury get affected to the particular patient. Motor response में देख सकते हो, when we are asking to the patient show me your 2 finger, raise your legs, raise your hands, and if he suppose can perform that all the things, then that is nothing but our he is obeying the commands, score will be 6. Okay, and suppose I am touching somewhere else and he can localize that side, so score will be 5. Okay, we are giving some painful stimuli and he can withdraw that particular stimuli from that stimuli, score will be 4, we will give score 4. Okay, then extensor response and flexor response. Okay, these are the nothing but these are the two you can say abnormal responses are there. We are asking to the flex the eyes but flex the hands, but is extending that particular hands like that, so we will give the score 2. And suppose we are asking about the extension, if he is doing a flexion, score will be 2. Okay, sorry, you can see here 6 5 4 this here abnormal flexion, if it is there, then score we will 3. And if it is there extension response. Okay, यानी कि we are asking about the extension if he is doing the flexion, और सपोज फ्लेक्शन हम पूछ रहे हैं तो वो एबनॉर्मल फ्लेक्शन कर रहा है, लाइक हम हैंड्स का हम लेग को फोल्ड करने बोल रहे हैं तो वो हैंड्स को फोल्ड कर रहा है, दैट इज एबनॉर्मल फ्लेक्शन रिस्पॉन्स, देन वी विल गिव अ स्कोर 3. एंड सपोज एक्सटेंशन रिस्पॉन्स अगर वो रॉन्ग करता है देन वी विल गिव अ स्कोर 2. एंड इफ इट सपोज वी आर आस्किंग टू डू समथिंग एल्स बट ही कैन नॉट डू एनीथिंग एल्स, तो देन वी विल गिव स्कोर 1. तो आई रिस्पॉन्स में मैक्सिमम स्कोर 4, वर्बल रिस्पॉन्स में मैक्सिमम स्कोर 5, मोटर रिस्पॉन्स में मैक्सिमम स्कोर 6. तो 6 5 11 plus 4, that is 15. So maximum GC score will be the can be a kind of 15. Okay, so you can see here. तो GC score आई ओपनिंग स्पॉन्टेनियस में 4, a kind of total mild 13 to 15 रहेगा, मॉडरेट 9 to 12 and severe 3 to 8. That means कि if it is mild head injury then you can say GC score might be 13 to 15. When it is moderate head injury might be you can say 9 to 12 GC score will be, and if it is severe then it is 3 to 8. Okay, so on the basis of GC score we can know the level of consciousness of the patient, or you can say level of head injury like that. Okay.